Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video we'll be answering 3 questions about Python. These questions are asked by most people when they want to begin programming, and I want to answer all 3 of them in this video. If you end up enjoying this video, please leave a like and also subscribe to this channel so that you will not miss any future updates. And now, let's get into the video. Okay. So the first question people ask when they hear about Python is, why is Python so popular? Many people ask this as Python is the most popular language in the world. Before, most people would begin by learning Java or JavaScript, but now Python is one of the first choices for beginners. Why is that so? First of all, its syntax. Python is so easy to write and understand that most beginners do not have problems understanding it. Most of the other languages are difficult to learn, and some are not even free. Also, like other programming languages, Python is so easy to write, making it easy to start making your own programs if you are a beginner. If you learn Python, you master it in no time. Python is also used by many big companies around the world. Companies like Google, Spotify, Facebook, and Instagram rely heavily on Python. This also goes to show that Python is a powerful and flexible language. So another question people tend to ask is Python easy to learn? Well, yes, it is, and that's why many people choose it. As I said earlier, Python is easy to read and write, so it's easy to learn if you want to start programming. But sometimes you might wonder why you need to learn Python. Think about it. Why learn programming if you have a good job already? Well, I answered that question in my other video, Why Should You Learn Python?, which will be in the description. I'll also begin my Python tutorial series in February, but in the meantime, you can check out the description for some tutorials or even start experimenting with Python for yourself. You can also check out some resources that I provide in the description. So the third question most people ask is, what can I do with Python? Or what can Python do? Python is a powerful, flexible language, and it can be used in almost any development field, from web development to mobile app development. There are so many libraries in Python, so you can use them to automate your tasks, making them easier for you, or you can also make your own apps and games and share them for others to use. Many people use Python for different things. For example, if you are looking for a specific job out of the millions of jobs in the market, you can use Python to search websites quickly and find the perfect job for you. You can also use Python for research, data science, or just for fun. So what do you want to do with Python? Share it in the comments, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel so that you don't miss any updates. Well, that's the end of today's video. Stay happy coding, and I'll see you in the next one.